What's good, traders? Today I'm going to show you how I made $165 within 10 minutes in the market. It was probably one of the fastest trades that we had, and we were able to do it live on the live stream on our Discord server. If you guys are not part of the Discord server, make sure you click the link down below because you guys are missing out on crazy trades like this. But not only that, we have a very good community where all of us help each other out. We all make a killing in the markets, and we're all profitable at the end of the day. So if you guys want to be part of that Discord server, make sure you click the link in the description below, especially if you're a struggling trader, or if you want to find yourself around like-minded people, or you just want to see the trades that I take. Everything is all documented on the Discord server. So guys, today we looked at gold, and honestly, I mean, if you've been looking at gold recently, just looking at the daily time frame, if you've been looking at gold recently, guys, you gotta know we're on this bullish trend, guys. We're on this bullish trend. If you're selling gold right now, you are, I ain't gonna say it, but you know where you are, right? And honestly, like as soon as I saw the daily time frame and yesterday as well, saw the markets, didn't actually place a trade yesterday. Yesterday, you could see clearly the markets tested our patience yesterday. And yeah, after seeing the way the candlesticks are looking and this huge bullish run, breaking all-time highs, what a crazy way to end off January, and what a crazy way to start off February. Gold has just been killing it, guys. So looking at the daily bias, you have to realize, guys, we're not looking for sells. There's no reason for us to look for sells at the moment, okay? So we looked at the daily bias. We know, okay, cool, we're on an uptrend. And just looking at London session as well, you got to look at London session as well. And I normally trade, and I'm just going to clean up the charts for you guys. This chart's looking ugly right now. Right now, we have, look at London session. So Asian session kind of brought it a little bit down. We kind of broke some level of structure, and, you know, price was going a bit down. But London session said, no, we're going up. And even New York session, you know, as soon as we started New York session, we just had this huge push to the upside. And guys, honestly, I do wish that we entered right off here and actually marked it down, because this would have been like around a 200 pip move. I ended up not hitting this trade. I end up just looking at this trade because I don't trade London session. And even New York session would have, London highs, obviously tapped back into London's highs and just kept pushing up, which was a good trade. And you can see right now that the market is tanking down, right? But this is a quick and easy trade, quick, very fast trade. And literally within like 10 minutes, right? And the way we entered this trade is as soon as price started to make some sort of retracement, especially on the 15-minute, I started seeing, okay, we're starting to see like we had a doji right here. We had like this bearish candlestick. I was like, okay, cool. We're in a retracement right now. Right now, we got to look for buys, okay? So first thing first, I get my equilibrium tool out. I have a look, okay, what's discounted price? I see that, okay, cool. Price just hit discounted price, okay? And I'm like, okay, cool, that makes sense. Okay, we can look for a little bit of buys. And not only that, we had a liquidity sweep right here. Let's go into the 1 minute. You guys will actually see. We had this liquidity sweep right here, okay? And obviously on the 1 minute, it doesn't look as clean. But this was on a 5 minute, this was the liquidity sweep, okay? And so for me, this was okay. Liquidity sweep, we had price come down into discounted price, and we had a breaker structure. Now the 1 minute's a bit noisy, okay? But the 5 minutes, right, it was very clear to me. We had a liquidity sweep right here. These lows got swept. Body was above this low right here, so we're not going down. It wasn't a breaker structure. We tapped into discounted price, and this candlestick itself was a very strong bullish candlestick, okay? What does that signify to me? Well, I am waiting for price to come down. So again, I took out my tool, my equilibrium tool. You can use your Fibonacci tool as well, and I marked up equilibrium. Equilibrium was right here. My discounted price was right here, okay? So as you can see, we tapped into discounted price. I ended up entering off this candlestick right here. And as you can see, we barely had drawdown. Barely. I could have easily had my stop loss below these lows. But I said, no, you know what? We're going to keep it. We're going to follow the rules. I'm going to keep our stop loss below these lows right here. And honestly, guys, as soon as I started seeing price, just immediately went in that direction. And I actually love trades like this. I love trades that just immediately go in that direction, doesn't do any hesitations, just goes for it, doesn't test our psychology. And today the markets was being nice to me. Gold is being nice to me for once. January was a bit of a shaky month, but for once, the markets is being nice to me, and we ended up just smashing TP. Now, the way I manage my risk, because I know a lot of you guys ask me, like, how do you manage your risk? Like, how do you, how do you know when to lead the trade or stuff like that? Well, I'll explain to you. So what I did was I marked up the highs that I would move my stop loss to break even. Now, we marked up this right here was the highs that I said, okay, if body closes above these highs, we're going to move stop loss to break even. And so that's what happened. As soon as this candlestick went above, and I'll be real, guys, it just kept going up. It just kept going up. So as soon as it went a few pips up, I said, you know what, guys, I'm moving my stop loss to break even. Even if it does reverse on me now, it doesn't matter, because price was dramatically above TP1, which is down here. And I was like, cool. My next take profit it did end up being here. This was my next take profit. Now, the thing is with gold right now is we're just chasing new all-time highs. So how did I manage my risk with that? Well, the way I did it was I had two positions open. I took 50% partials on one of the positions over here. Well, it was actually around over here. I was very lucky that we had a lot of momentum. I took TP2. I took out one full position. Okay, so now I had basically half of one of my positions running, and I just let it run. I just let it run until I saw some sort of push to the downside or a little bit of break construction. Now, another thing to take notice is we had news coming up at 3 p.m. Okay, so I think I literally ended this at 2:35 p.m. I actually ended it a little bit later. I think it was around, price ended up coming like around 2:50, just before macro session. Yes, just before macro session. As soon as candlestick closed, I ended up closing my trade. And the reason why I did that, even though I could have caught an extra 62 pips, I could have caught an extra 62 pips. The reason why I did that was because, number one, we have news, and I don't really like trading news because news could have reversed on me and stuff like that. Number two is I've already hit my profits for the day. And because there was news, I don't mind sitting back on the sidelines, So I closed my position, I let the runner go. The runner ended up giving me an extra 20, 30 pips. So I'm fully grateful. Extra 30 pips is free money in the bank. And then I ended up just, let's see what the market does. And as you can see right now, the market is just tanking. And it was a really good trade, guys. Really, really good trade. This trade was taken live on the Discord server. We are live every single day, 2 p.m. London time, 9 a.m. Eastern time, 6 p.m. Dubai time. And we are always live Monday to Friday. Even if we're not taking a trade, we're live. We speak wisdom there. We talk about the markets. We all make profits in the market as well, guys. And honestly, like, this trade right here was a picture perfect trade. If you guys watched my bootcamp, you'd have easily seen this trade instantly, because this trade right here is like a textbook trade. Like, this trade right here is a trade that any one of my members would have easily taken with or without me. And that's what I like about trades like this, is that we all would have taken this trade regardless of me being on the live stream. And that's what actually builds these Discord server members, right? All these Discord members. And first and foremost, shout out to all the Discord members. You guys are killing it. I wish I could show you all the screenshots of all the profits. These guys are killing gold right now. I had a trader that literally caught the trade that I would have taken and hit like a 1 to almost, I think it was like 4-5R profit. And I think they could have easily held to like a 1 to 6 or 1 to 8R, which is crazy to me. And they all just started up as a trader. They're all beginners, and they are making crazy progression within the markets. And yeah, if you guys are not part of that Discord server and you are listening to this and you're feeling motivated and you're feeling pumped to be part of that Discord server, make sure you click the link in the description below, because you will see trades like this on a regular basis, guys. We are killing it. I don't think we've taken a loss so far this past like 3-4 weeks, right? We're on this winning streak on in the markets right now. We haven't taken a loss in the past 2-3 weeks, 3-4 weeks, or whatever it is. And we're gonna just keep going. We're just gonna keep pushing it, keep going, and hopefully you guys will see this journey as well. And if you guys ain't part of the YouTube journey as well, the YouTube community, make sure you subscribe, guys. I am always doing trade recaps. I'm always giving you insights of how I was thinking, my progress and my journey, and it's nice for you guys to be part of that as well. So if you can't be on the Discord server, make sure at least subscribe. It's the least thing that you guys can do to just show some support on the channel as well. But guys, other than that, I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys have a good week, a profitable week. And like I said, join the Discord server. Don't miss out, guys. Please, please, please don't miss out. We're also doing giveaways on this server. I think right now we're doing a $10,000 funded account giveaway. If you guys want to be part of that, click the link in the description below. If you guys want to make profits like me, click the link in the description below. If you guys want to be with like-minded traders, click the link in the description below. If those three things doesn't get you to click that link in the description below, you clearly don't want to make success. You clearly don't want to be successful in the markets. Okay, guys? So other than that, you know, sit back, relax, see the profits we make, and I'll see you guys later.